Hey, how is it going, everybody? It's Ahmed here at Dash Truck, Colorado Springs location with another walk around video. If you like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you are watching, well, drop us a like so that you can get a notification on a very special vehicles that we list every day. Today, walk around for the 2018 Ford Transit 350 HD, a 12-foot box truck with ramp. It does have 101,000 mile, a one owner truck. The GVWR on this vehicle is 9,950. 25-gallon tank. Here at Das Trucks, our vehicles are fully reconed. What we mean when we say that, we go through the suspension, braking, the engine, and the transmission component, and we make sure that everything is working as desired. I've already included the box measurement in the description for you to review. Checking on the interior, it's been fully detailed, interior, exterior, and under the hood. Start it up here. Pretty smooth start, no lights on the dash. Looking at the engine, it does have 3.7 liter V6 Ford gasoline engine with 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Alright, wrapping up this walk around, if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description where you can view our full listing as well as our phone number. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a great one.